Hi guys, I'm Renee. I'm an epilepsy warrior from WA. I'm going to talk about pregnancy now. I was watching pieces of a woman on Netflix and I got a bit emotional, and I thought it's very important to do a video about pregnancy. My last seizure was 4 years ago now, and I was 6 months pregnant with my youngest daughter. Usually when I have my seizures, I have grand mal seizures and I stop breathing. And because I was throwing up all the time, we don't know for certain how much medication I was actually getting in. And of course, while you're pregnant, you're too afraid to take extra just in case. But thankfully, I had an aura coming on a few days before, so we were getting prepared just in case. There's not much you can do. You can't take the risk of taking extra medication. So, but thankfully, I have good auras, and I felt my seizure coming on. And I laid down on the couch and told my husband, and as soon as it happened, he called the ambulance and we went to the hospital. I don't usually go to the hospital when I have a seizure because we're pretty organised now how to do it after 20 years. But I wasn't going to take any chances with my little girl, and she was all safe. Her grandpas are obviously watching over her, and she's going to kindy this year. So we were very lucky. But don't give up on the chance of having children. You have to work hard at it. We worked hard for many years trying to get the medication just right so I wouldn't have a seizure with pregnancy. Thankfully, I only had that one, and usually when I have a grand mal seizure, I stop breathing, and this time we were lucky that I didn't. But my first pregnancy, I didn't have any seizures and I wasn't sick at all. But don't give up. I had to go through it with all my friends having babies and watching people pregnant all the time, and it was heartbreaking. But I worked hard, got my medication under control. I was still on Keppra and only a very small amount of Epilim, and both my girls are healthy girls today, and they're 5 and 3, so they're both very healthy. So don't give up on the possibility of having children. You have to work hard, and you definitely have to take the pregnancy vitamins and lots of folic acid. But always speak with your doctor, because there's lots of things that you have to do extra of being a mum with epilepsy. I'm also doing the keto diet, as I've spoken to you before. I do suggest that you guys look into it. It is very helpful. I've found it amazing for me. My concentration levels are so much better today. I'm reading now. I have a lot more energy, doing things around the house, which is hard enough anyway, because the medication depletes our energy. But don't ever do anything without checking with your doctor. And my doctor's wrapped with my amount of weight loss. So I'm hoping for another 15 kilos. It's all going well, so we'll see how it goes. I don't think I'll stay on this diet forever because I desperately miss my carbs. But I'll keep off the weight as long as I can, get off as much as I can, and just maybe stick with a low carb diet after that. But if you're struggling with the medication is nasty, so it may help you a little bit. It helps with the side effects. And don't forget, the ketogenic diet was designed for us. And from that movie with Meryl Streep, First Do No Harm, that little boy, that was a true story, and he actually got rid of his epilepsy from the ketogenic diet. Now, I don't know for certain if some people it won't happen for, but it's always worth a shot. Anyway, take care everyone, stay seizure safe, bye.